Hello, today you're looking at a Minuteman Powerboss model TSS-82 sweeper scrubber combination unit, brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 124 inches long by 54 inches wide by 60 inches tall. This unit does run on propane. We can see the propane tank here. Propane does not come with it. You would need to supply your own propane for this. And we'll quick take a look here at the controls. Very nice conditioned unit. We will now hop on and drive it around so you can see how it works. This does have a Nissan 4-cylinder engine. And away we go. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.